What's up guys, John at L&M Marine, and we are looking at a SeaArk RX170 side console. Sweet little boat. Of course we got it riding on an aluminum trailer. These SeaArks are just very tough boats, very well built. They got a big presence in the commercial industry. Of course we got it pre-rigged for Yamaha. 70 horsepower is the max power on this. You'll notice on the back transom we got flotation pods. Got that option on there. We got your fold down stainless steel swim ladder. As we move forward, everything is on Linex coating. So it's their sprayed in liner, camouflaged. We got the fishing chairs, our helm seating. And of course there's a shot of your console. You got a live well underneath the front lid here. Your fuel tank is actually mounted up front, so that's really unique with SeaArk. It really balances the weight out, works really well. Dry storage, and then of course we got an anchor box, and what's clever about it is that they have the little cutout for your line if you actually have your anchor deployed or whatever. You got your trolling motor bracket, pre-wired for trolling motor obviously, and of course it is come with all your electrical systems, navigation lights, bilge pump, live well pumps, all that is included. Really solid package. If y'all have any questions about any of our SeaArk line, y'all give us a call. Best number to reach us at is 251-937-1380. Thank y'all.